Greetings viewers, welcome to Rishas Academy. I welcome you to this tutorial video where we'll be solving Science Paper 1 2025 GCE. So this is physics. So we begin with question 2 because question 2 we have a question coming from simple machines. So simple machines, I've already taught a full lesson video where I'd made sure to explain using the simplest words. So watch the video. I urge everyone to go and watch the video up to the end if you want to understand more on simple machines. So here we have a diagram illustrating the load, which is 900 newtons, the effort 450 newtons, the distance moved by the load, which is 1.5 meters, then the distance moved by effort, which is 4.5 meters. So question A says define a simple machine. Define a simple machine. What is a simple machine? So a simple machine is basically a device used to make work easy. A device used to make work easy. A device used to make work easy. So anything we use to make work easy, for example, a spanner, and a wheelbarrow, etc. We have so many devices of which we use to make our work easy. So those devices are good examples of simple machines. So that was the answer that was required on question A. A device used to make work easy. Then we move on to question B. Question B, we have calculate velocity ratio of the ladder. Velocity ratio of the ladder. So velocity ratio, you have to know the formula if you want to calculate velocity ratio. So you have to know the formula to calculate velocity ratio. So velocity ratio, we have a formula VR, which meaning velocity ratio. Velocity ratio is equals to distance moved by effort over distance moved by the load. So distance moved by effort, which is 4.5, and the distance moved by the load, which is 1.5. So 1.5 into 4.5, it is going to give you 3. So 3, it is the velocity ratio. Then we move on to calculate the work done on the parking case against gravity. So here you also have to know the formula for work. Then you also have to understand that gravity, it is equals to 10. So work is equals to force multiplied by distance. Force multiplied by distance. Force multiplied by distance. Then here we are saying against gravity. So you are going to multiply against gravity. So you are going to write work is equals to force multiplied by distance multiplied by gravity. So you are going to have force. Force here is equals to the load. Force is equals to the load, or in other words, we may say force is equals to weight. So force is equals to 900. So you have 900 multiplied by 1.5 multiplied by 10. So 900 multiplied by 1.5, we are going to get our answer as 1350. 1350. When multiplied by 10, we are going to add a 0. When the units joules, so the units are going to be in joules. So this was the work that was done. So 13,500. 13,500 joules. Then the last question on D is saying calculate the efficiency of the ladder. Calculate the efficiency of the ladder. Calculate the efficiency. So to calculate efficiency, we have to know first of all the formula, then also understand the meaning of efficiency. So efficiency, the formula we have efficiency is equals to mechanical advantage over velocity ratio multiplied by 100. So this is the formula. So here we have velocity ratio, but we don't have a mechanical advantage. But mechanical advantage, we know that mechanical advantage, it is the load over effort. So we are going to find the mechanical advantage, load over effort. So the load here we have 900. Or let me write here, 900 over 450. So 900 over 450, it is going to give you your answer as 2. So mechanical advantage is equals to 2, then velocity ratio is equals to 3. So then we substitute. So mechanical advantage we had 2, then velocity ratio we had 3, then multiplied by 100. You are going to get your answer as 6.66666. So we are going to write the answer as 67%. So this was the efficiency of the radar. So this was all that was required on question 2. So I urge everyone to go and watch the full lesson video on simple machines. If you want to understand more, you can leave your suggestion.
This is Righteous Academy, where we explain in simpler terms. Righteous Academy, got you covered, no worries, we are here.